Good morning. So in the previous class, nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes completed. Action with metals also completed. So reactions with nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions, haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions due to 5 reasons. So partial double bond character. Next to less polarity. Next one, sp2 hybridized carbon, bond length is less and bond energy is more. The next one, instability of phenyl cation, instability of phenyl cation, instability of phenyl cation. So these are the main reasons. Next one, so as the electron withdrawing groups increases, reactivity of haloarenes increases. As the electron withdrawing groups increases, reactivity of haloarenes increases. So these electron withdrawing groups are substituted at ortho and para positions. So effect is more. If the electron withdrawing groups like NO2, cyanide, aldehyde group CHO, and carboxylic groups are present at meta position, there is no effect. So electron withdrawing groups are present at, it is chlorobenzene. So electron withdrawing groups like nitro or cyano or aldehyde present at ortho and para positions, its reactivity increases. There is no effect. An electron withdrawing group present at meta position, no effect. When electron withdrawing group is substituted at meta position, so reactivity increases. An electron withdrawing groups substituted at either ortho or para position, but no effect. If the halo, no effect. So if electron withdrawing group is present at meta position, 1,3 is meta, 1,2 is ortho, 1,4 is para. It is ortho, it is para, it is meta. So in case of nitro group or electron withdrawing group present at a meta position, there is no effect. Okay. So as the number of electron withdrawing groups increases, reactivity further increases. As the electron withdrawing groups increases, reactivity further increases. So here, if we take chlorobenzene, so chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide, aqueous or solid sodium hydroxide, followed by acidification. So Cl minus is replaced by OH, it gives phenol. So it is a method of preparation of phenol. Okay, so it is phenol aromatic alcohol. Okay, so here condition, it required drastic conditions, 350 degrees centigrade temperature and 300 atmospheres pressure, because of less reactivity. Of haloarene. Next to, suppose one nitro group is substituted at ortho position or para position, it is Cl. So one nitro means electron withdrawing group is substituted at, so ortho position or para position. So when it is treated with sodium hydroxide, so here nearly 165 degrees centigrade temperature is, so this reaction takes place. It is at 350 and high pressure. It requires just 165 degrees centigrade temperature. Cl is replaced by OH. So it is OH, it is NO2. It is NO2. The next one. Suppose two nitro groups are substituted at ortho and para positions. It is Cl. It is ortho position. It is para position. So as the number of electron withdrawing groups increases, electron withdrawing groups, it has no electron withdrawing group. It contains 1, it contains 2. When it is treated with sodium hydroxide followed by acidification, second step. So it required just 95 degrees centigrade followed by acidification, it gives, so dinitrophenol. It is OH, It is a NO2. Next it is a NO2. So 2,4-dinitrophenol is obtained. Next, suppose 3 nitro groups are substituted. 3 nitro groups are substituted. So 3 electron withdrawing groups. It is the Cl. It is ortho position. It is also ortho position. Next it is para position. Para position. When it is treated with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So this reaction takes place at nearly 30 degrees centigrade. Just on heating. Just warm. So it gives Cl is replaced by OH. So it gives 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. Commonly it is also called picric acid. Commonly it is also called, what is the common name? Commonly it is also called picric acid. So 2,4,6-trinitro. So trinitrophenol. Commonly it is called picric acid. 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. So commonly it is also called picric acid. Commonly it is also called picric acid. So without electron withdrawing group at ortho and para positions, so it requires high temperature and high pressure means drastic conditions. At ortho position, 1 electron withdrawing group is substituted. So rate of reactivity increases. So reaction takes place at atmospheric pressure and 165 degrees centigrade. If 2 nitro groups are substituted at ortho and para positions, just reaction takes place at 95 degrees centigrade. If 3 nitro groups are substituted, followed by hydrolysis, so reaction takes place almost at room temperature or on just heating, just warm. Gives so 2,4,6-trinitrophenol means as the electron withdrawing groups like NO2, CHO, CN, COOH increases, its reactivity is also increases. There is no effect when electron withdrawing group present at beta position. 1,3 is beta. If nitro group is substituted at beta position, there is no effect. So it requires the same temperature 350. So 300 atmospheres of pressure it gives phenol. Means no effect of electron withdrawing group. No effect of electron withdrawing group at a beta position. Okay. Next to action with metals. Second property, action with metals also completed. So sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. So these two are named reactions. So it is also, this part is also completed. Action with metals also completed. With metals, this property is also completed. Action with metals. So haloarenes, mixture of haloarene. That is example chlorobenzene. Mixture of chlorobenzene and alkyl halide. Haloarene, or take a general example. Haloarene. Mixture of haloarene and alkyl halides are treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. So 2 moles of NaX is eliminated. 2 moles of NaX is eliminated. So alkyl group is substituted on benzene. So it is called alkyl benzene. So what is the name of the reaction? It is the named reaction. So it is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So it is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. It is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Okay. Take a specific example. A mixture of chlorobenzene or bromobenzene or iodobenzene. Mixture of chlorobenzene and methyl halide, that is methyl chloride. Treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Here 2 moles of NaCl is eliminated. So methyl group substituted on benzene ring. So Cl minus is replaced by CH3. So it is called methyl benzene. methyl benzene. It is also called toluene. What is the other name of methyl benzene? It is also called toluene. So what is the name of the reaction? Wurth-Fittig reaction. Okay. So in this reaction, only haloarine on heating with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. If you take only haloarine, no mixture of haloarine and alkyl halide. If you take only haloarine, that is chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene on treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. So two chlorobenzene molecules are involved in reaction. So 2 moles of NaCl is eliminated. So it gives benzene ring is attached with another benzene ring. So it is called biphenyl, or it is also called diphenyl. Phenyl means C6H5. So two C6H5 groups are attached with, or these two are attached, hence it is also called biphenyl. It is called biphenyl. So name of the reaction is, it is called Fittig reaction. So in the last class, the previous class, so up to action with metals completed. So Wurtz-Fittig reaction, the next one is the Fittig reaction. So Wurtz-Fittig reaction means so mixture of ether, chlorobenzene and alkyl halide on heating with sodium in presence of dry ether, biphenyl is formed. If we use only halobenzene, that is chlorobenzene, it is called Fittig reaction. These two named reactions are very, very important for public exam and NEET exam and JEE mains also. The next last topic in haloarenes, electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic for haloarenes also undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. So undergoes nucleophilic substitution and electrophilic substitution reactions also. So haloarenes undergo only nucleophilic substitution or only electrophilic substitution, or undergoes both electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution. So undergoes both nucleophilic and electrophilic substitution reactions. So take halobenzene, that is chlorobenzene. Specific example, take chlorobenzene. Okay, so chlorobenzene, so it is attached with chlorine. So it is a pi bond. It is a pi bond. It is a pi bond. So it is a Cl. So any halogen atom has 3 lone pairs of electrons. These lone pairs are conjugation. Conjugation means it is a pi bond. It is a single bond. So pi bond, next lone pair are in alternate position. Lone pair, single bond, double bond. So it is called conjugation. So due to the electron withdrawing nature of benzene, so these lone pair of electrons on halogen atom are involved in resonance. Okay, now? So involved in resonance. So these pi electrons are here, electron density equilibrium. So these pi electrons are shifted to this position. Or if you take a pi bond here, so pi electrons are shifted to this position. Okay, right. So first form, it is a benzene ring. It is a benzene ring. It is a pi bond. Next, it is a pi bond. Here, double bond is formed. Next, chlorine gas, positive charge. Next, pi electrons are shifted to this carbon. So here, electron density is concentrated at ortho position. Second position is called ortho position. It is stabilized by resonance. It is shifted to this position. Here electron density increases. So it is shifted to this pi electrons are shifted to this carbon. So this position is a para position. It is a benzene ring. It is a benzene ring. Next, it is a double bond Cl. Chlorine gets a positive charge. It contains 2 lone pairs. Next, here a pi bond is formed. It is a pi bond. 5 electrons are shifted to this carbon. So electron density is more at ortho position and para position. The next form. So it is shifted to this position. These 5 electrons are shifted to this carbon. Because of here electron density increases. So next form, it is benzene ring. Okay, so it is a pi bond. It is a pi bond. Here pi electrons are concentrated to this carbon. It is a double bond. Cl. It gets a positive charge and it contains two lone pairs. So it is also ortho position. It is also ortho position. So electron density is more at ortho and para positions. Ortho and para positions, and it is stabilized apart. So resonance, so it is shifted to this position. Next, pi electrons are again written on chlorine atom. So it is benzene ring. It is a benzene ring. It is a pi bond. It is a pi bond. It is a pi bond. It is a chlorine. It has 3 lone pairs. Okay. So in these resonance structures, electron density is more at ortho and para positions. These two are ortho positions. It is the para position. It is the para position. Hence, so haloarenes undergoes electrophilic substitution. Electrophile means cation, E plus. Okay, na? So electrophilic substitution. So E plus is attack at more electron density carbon. So electron density is more at ortho position and para position. Hence, what is the orientation of a halogen atom? Orientation means it can direct the newly coming species to either ortho para position or meta position. Okay, so if you can direct the newly coming species to either ortho position and para position, its orientation is called ortho para orientation or ortho para directing group. Okay, some groups are directing the newly coming species to meta position. They are called meta directing groups. So methyl group, Cl, OH. Okay, these are all ortho para directing group. Here the species containing a multiple bond like aldehyde. Cyanide means electron withdrawing groups are meta directing groups. Okay, na? Right. Here halogen is a ortho para directing group or meta directing group. It is the ortho para directing group. Ortho para directing group. Here, so this chlorine has an electron withdrawing nature. It is called minus I effect, minus I inductive effect. Electron withdrawing nature is a minus I effect. Okay. So what are the characteristic properties of benzene? Benzene also undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. What are the characteristic properties of benzene? Characteristic properties of benzene are electrophilic substitution reactions. Nitration, chlorination, halogenation means chlorination, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. These are all examples of our electrophilic substitution reactions. So what are the characteristic properties of benzene? Electrophilic substitution. Next, haloarenes also undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, very important point is, what is the correct reactivity order? What is the correct reactivity order of aryl halides? Aryl halides means halobenzene. It is benzene ring. Halogen atom is attached with the benzene, and the second one is benzene. It is halobenzene. It is benzene. So halobenzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Benzene also undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. In these two, reactivity is more for halobenzene, or reactivity is more for benzene, or reactivity is the same for haloarine that equal to, so reactivity of haloarine is equal to reactivity of benzene towards electrophilic substitution reaction. So towards electrophilic substitution reactions, which is more reactive. It is more reactive. We know haloarines are less reactive. Okay, now so towards electrophilic substitution reactions, benzene is more reactive. So it undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions easily. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions easily than haloarine. What is the reason? What is the reason? Let it is the first statement A. So haloarines are less reactive than benzene towards electrophilic substitution reactions. So A is true. Next, so reason. What is the correct explanation? What is the correct, or what is the correct statement and the correct explanation? So why haloarines are less reactive than benzene means here what is the nature of chlorine? Chlorine is a more electronegative, third most electronegative element. Fluorine in first position, oxygen in second position, chlorine and nitrogen in third position. Its value in Mulliken scale or in Pauling scale. So fluorine 4, oxygen 3.5, chlorine and nitrogen 3. So this chlorine, due to high electronegativity, it has a minus I effect. Minus I effect. Minus I effect. Minus I effect means it has electron withdrawing nature. It can attract the electrons from benzene ring. It can attract the electrons from benzene ring. So as the electron density decreases on benzene ring, so adorking of electrophile is difficult. So electrophile means positive ion. So positive ion is attacks at the carbon which contains, so electron density is more. Where the electron density is more, then it facilitates the electrophilic substitution. What is the nature of halogen atom? Electron withdrawing. So electron withdrawing nature means electron density on benzene ring decreases. Hence, halogen group present on benzene, it is the means chlorine or bromine or iodine or ring deactivating groups. Okay, so ring deactivating groups because of minus I effect. Minus I effect means they can attract the electron cloud from benzene ring. So due to the attraction, electron density decreases on benzene ring in haloarines. Hence, electrophilic substitution reaction is difficult. Whereas in benzene, no electron withdrawing to grow. So it is the electron rich arene because it has a pi bonds in alternate position. So it is considered as an electron rich arene. So here electron density is more. Electron rich arene means electron density is more. Hence, electrophile can easily attacks on more electron density benzene ring or more electron rich arene. Okay, so that is the reason. So why? So electrophilic substitution reactions are reactivity towards electrophilic substitution reactions in haloarines is less than benzene. Reason due to minus I effect. So due to minus I effect of halogen atom, so reactivity of haloarines less towards electrophilic substitution than benzene. Reason is very important. So statements, correct statement, wrong statement. So here reason is also very important. Hence halogen atom is a ring deactivating group or ring activating group. It is the ring deactivating group. Ring deactivating, but it is ortho para directing group because it has two effects. So it is also has a resonance effect. These lone pairs are involved in resonance. So it is opposed by, so this minus I effect is opposed by this resonance effect. Hence, electron density is more at ortho and para positions. Hence, electrophilic substitution takes place. So as we compare to meta position, electron density is more at ortho and para positions. Hence, chlorine is ortho para directing group. So it is the orthopara directing group. Okay. So halogen is a orthopara directing group or meta directing group? Orthopara directing group. Because in these resonance structures, electron density is more at ortho and para positions. Hence, it is orthopara directing group. And ring activating group or ring deactivating group? It is the ring deactivating group because due to minus I effect. So due to minus I effect, so haloarenes are less reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions than benzene. Okay, so benzene and haloarenes which undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions easily. So benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions easily than so haloarenes because of it is a ring deactivating group. The next one, electrophilic substitution mechanism. So take chlorobenzene. Take chlorobenzene. So it is the benzene ring. So it is the benzene ring. Okay. So it is attached with chlorine. It has 3 lone pairs. It has 3 lone pairs. It has 3 lone pairs. Next, it is pi bond. It is a pi bond. Next, it is pi bond. Okay, na? So it is the pi bond. So here electrophilic substitution. So it is the electrophile. Electrophile means cation. Electrophile. So this electrophile is attacks. This electrophile is attacks at this electrophile is attacks at here electron density is more. So it is attacks. Electrophile is attacks here. Okay. So it is the first form. It is a benzene ring. It is a benzene ring. It is a pi bond. It is a pi bond. So each carbon is attached with one hydrogen. So it is a hydrogen. Here electrophile is attacked. So these pi electrons are shifted to this carbon. Hence this carbon gets a positive charge. It is called carbonium ion. Next it is a halogen atom Cl. It has 3 lone pairs. It is carbonium ion. Here carbonium ion is formed. So here carbon in electrophilic substitution reactions carbocation is formed. It is stabilized by resonance. It is stabilized by resonance. So here this carbocation is carbocation. So what is the nature of Cl? Chlorine has a minus side effect. Chlorine has a minus inductive effect. Minus side effect. Minus side effect means electron withdrawing nature. Electron withdrawing nature. So it can withdraw the electrons. So withdraws the electrons from here. Positive charge further increases. As the charge, either a positive charge or negative charge increases, its stability decreases. Its stability decreases. Hence, so due to minus effect of halogen, that is Cl, it can so destabilize the carbocation. It can destabilize the carbonium ion or carbocation. It can destabilize the carbocation. It can destabilize the carbocation intermediate. Okay, na? So it can destabilize the carbocation, intermediate carbocation. It is a minus element. Next, same chlorine due to the presence of lone pairs of electrons. Presence of lone pairs of electrons. So it is a pi bond. It is a pi bond. Next, it is a Cl. It has 3 lone pairs. Next, it is a carbocation. Next, it is a hydrogen. Next, it is the electrophile. It is the electrophile. So it is also has a electron releasing nature. It is a resonance effect. Okay, na? So it is a resonance effect. It is a resonance effect. Resonance effect. Resonance effect. So due to minus I effect, chlorine destabilize the carbocation because of it with the electron. Here electron releasing nature. So due to resonance, these pi lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance. So here carbocation means here positive charge on this carbon decreases. As the positive charge decreases, its stability increases. So due to minus I effect, so chlorine can destabilize the carbocation. Due to resonance effect, it can stabilize the intermediate carbocation. It is very important. So it can destabilize. Due to minus effect, it can destabilize. Due to resonance effect, it can stabilize the. It is stabilize the. So carbocation intermediate. So it can destabilizes the carbocation, intermediate carbocation. It can stabilizes the intermediate carbocation. So here the reactivity is controlled by inductive effect. Reactivity may haloarenes are less reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions than benzene. So reactivity is controlled by minus I effect. Okay, na? So reactivity is controlled by minus I effect because of it can withdraw the electron. As the electron density decreases, so attacking of electrophile, ability to attack the electrophile is decreases. So reactivity is controlled by minus I effect. Reactivity controlled by minus I effect. But here orientation is controlled by resonance effect. Due to this resonance, here electron density, here a positive charge is decreases, so it can orient. Orientation means it is ortho para dialectic group. So resonance effect due to resonance effect, so it can control the orientation. Minus I effect control the reactivity. So reactivity depends on minus I effect, or reactivity is controlled by minus I effect of halogen. Next one. So orientation means halogen atom is ortho para dialectic group. So orientation is decided by resonance effect. So orientation is depends on resonance effect. Next one. Second one here minus I effect decide the reactivity. So orientation is decided by the resonance effect. Next one, reactivity is decided by the minus I effect. So these 2 points are very important. So these are main points towards electrophilic substitution reactions. So chlorobenzene and benzene, which is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions, benzene, because of chlorine has a minus I effect. Due to minus I effect, so reactivity of halogen is less, hence it is considered as a ring deactivating group. Next, chlorine has 3 lone pairs. These 3 lone pairs are conjugation with the pi electrons. So these lone pairs are involved in resonance. So in ortho and para positions, electron density increases. So it is ortho para dialectic group. So due to resonance effect, orientation is depends on or controlled by resonance effect. Next one, reactivity is controlled by minus I effect. So this minus I effect can destabilize the stability of intermediate carbocation. Resonance effect increases the stability of, so it can increases the stability of intermediate carbocation. Okay, na? So orientation is controlled by resonance effect. Reactivity is controlled by minus I effect. These 2 points are very, very important. So what is the conclusion? So it is the electron withdrawing electron. So it is ortho para dialectic group, and due to resonance effect, so it is the ring deactivating group. Next, so what are the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene? So first one is the halogenation. So what are the examples for electrophilic substitution reactions? First one is the halogenation. First one is the hallucination. Next, the second one is the nitration. Second one, nitration. Next, the third one, sulfonation. Third one, sulfonation. Next, the last fourth one, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Either Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. These are the examples for electrophilic substitution reactions, either in benzene or in haloarenes. So these four are considered as the electrophilic substitution reactions: hallucination, next nitration, next sulfonation. Friedel-Crafts reactions, either Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Take first one, hallucination reaction. First one, hallucination. First reaction, hallucination. First reaction, hallucination. So haloarene, take a particular example, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. So it is the resonance structure. So chlorobenzene, it is the ortho-para directing group due to resonance effect. At ortho and para positions, electron density is more. So electrophile attacks at ortho and para positions. So chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine. It is an atomic. In presence of anhydrous solubilium chloride AlCl3 or ferric chloride FeCl3 or iron turning salts used Fe. So here chlorine is substituted. Chlorine ion Cl plus is the electrophile. It is substituted at ortho and para positions. Ortho chlorobenzene. Second one is the para chlorobenzene. So it is called ortho. O means ortho. Okay, now so it is O means ortho, not zero. It is ortho. O indicates ortho. Ortho chlorobenzene. Ortho chloro. It is ortho chloro. Next one, it is para chloro. So it is the first carbon, it is second carbon, it is first carbon, it is second carbon. 1,2-dichlorobenzene. What is the IUPAC name? 1,2-dichlorobenzene. So what is the IUPAC name of para isomer? 1,4. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. 1,4-dichlorobenzene. 1,4-dichlorobenzene. It is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. It is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. In these two compounds, melting point is more far. Melting point is more far. Melting point is more for para isomer because of due to symmetric structure. Due to symmetric structure, so it has a high melting point. Melting point is more. Okay. Next one. It is a more polar. Ortho isomer is more polar. So boiling point is more for ortho isomer. Boiling point is more for ortho isomer. Whereas melting point is more for. So boiling point is more for ortho isomer due to high polarity. Melting point is more for para isomer because of its symmetric structure. In these two, ortho isomer and para isomer, what is the major product? What is the major product? So here repulsions are more. So it is the major product. It is the major product. It is a minor product. So it is the minor product. It is the major product. So in any substitution reaction, either hallucination or nitration or sulfonation or in Friedel-Crafts reaction, what is the major product? So para isomer is the major product because of here repulsions are more in ortho position, repulsions are more in para positions, repulsions are less. So it is the major product. 1,4-dichlorobenzene is the major product. Then 1,2-dichlorobenzene or ortho-dichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene, which is the major product. Para-dichlorobenzene is the major product. So it is the first electrophilic substitution reaction. Here how electrophile is produced. So chlorine containing covalent bond. So one electron pair is shared between two chlorine atoms. So when it is treated with aluminum chloride, it undergoes heterolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage means only one atom gains both the electrons. Only one atom gains both the electron. So it is called heterogeneous. It is called heterolytic cleavage. So it is called heterolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage. So this chlorine gets a negative charge. This chlorine gets a positive charge. So chlorinium ion is formed and AlCl4 minus. So this Cl minus ion is accepted by AlCl3 because of AlCl3 acts as Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron pair acceptors are called Lewis acids. All the anions acts as Lewis bases. So this Cl minus ion can donate pair of electrons to aluminum chloride. So it is the Lewis base. It is the Lewis acid. Cl plus is formed. It is considered as the electrophile. It is called chlorinium ion. It is called chlorinium ion. So it is the first electrophilic substitution reaction, that is chlorination. In this chlorination reaction, what is the electrophile? Chlorinium ion is the electrophile. Cl plus is the electrophile. So this chlorine electrophile, chlorinium ion, chlorinium electrophile is substituted either ortho position or para position because of, so halogen atoms are ortho para directing groups due to resonance effect. So due to resonance at ortho and para positions, electron density is more, hence halogen atoms are ortho para directing groups and ring deactivating group because of due to minus I effect, they can decrease the reactivity. So reactivity is controlled by minus I effect and orientation is controlled by so resonance effect. Okay, so these 2 points are important. So reactivity is controlled by minus I effect, minus indirect effect. And orientation means ortho para directing. So it can direct the chlorinium ion to ortho and para positions. It is called orientation. Orientation is controlled by resonance effect. Reactivity is controlled by minus inductive effect and orientation is controlled by resonance effect. So it is the first property. Remaining 3 properties: nitration, sulfonation, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts aceration. These are 4 reactions. So and uses of halogens. It is the last. So by this time, tomorrow to conclude the haloarenes, and in the next week we are going to start next chapter alcohols. Okay, thank you.